Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
African sunrise, fresh cocktail juice, Moroccan mist, pink cloud, hot chocolate, iced coffee, Keta iced tea, Americano, meat infusion, lemongrass infusion, chocolate, African tea, cappuccino, spice tea, black tea, and black coffee. So we want you to try to taste and listen how it fits.
I want to flex my love.